Hello, my name is Kari Harris. I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. I would like to show you today how to make a sleeve for your ring displays. This is the display I'm talking about. Paparazzi Accessories sells this to consultants, and they are currently in the back office right now. Sometimes they run out, but they always come back. So keep checking for them if you don't see them. They are under Paparazzi Boutique and then under displays after that. Okay, so the first thing you need is some of that cute bubble wrap that we always have. You need 2 long pieces. If it doesn't come in the long pieces anymore, just tape 2 together. Everything I've been getting lately seems to have short pieces. Even if it's a big box, they've got 2 short pieces in it instead of a long piece. So I don't know if they ran out of long ones or that's what they're doing now. So you need a long one, and then on the other side, cut one at 16 inches. Staple the bottom pieces together, hold them really tight so they're perfectly even, staple them together. Then start stapling up one side. Make sure that your 2 pieces are even though. If they're not, it's not going to work out good. So staple up one side and then make sure they're even. If not, trim it so that they are. Staple up the other side. Okay, then here on the top, I wanted to make it so that this would tuck in easily to keep the rings just super safe. They're not going to fly out anywhere. I cut off a corner here and a corner here. Okay, so now I can slide my rings in there. Take the rings, they just slide in super easy. Whoops, it's not a tight fit or anything. So slide in like this, and then just tuck this down inside. I would rather sit this on a table to do it. There we go. So it's perfectly tight. The rings aren't going anywhere. You can travel with them to your events, parties. They are safe. So give this a try. Let me know if you have any questions. If you do, I will sure try to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.